That's what we should do with my Suburban, and put them chains like this, like the factory had to keep the pins. It would have been nice if it would have cranked on its own.
Yeah, this should give you an idea.
But at least we got it to spin over. At least it ain't locked up. I didn't see, it don't look like there was a mouse in the engine, but under the grill there is. Yeah, the garage is locked. Yeah, good thing we had that spare tire from that GT we junked. Yeah, because now look, now you got both tires holding air at least. Yeah, I think this guy monkeyed with the wires and didn't understand what he was doing, and he monkeyed.
Somebody did those crimps.
No, all them crimps are wrong. Nah, they're all wrong. I'm gonna close the choke so nothing gets in there. Alright. Yeah, Rooney got another one. Don't look too bad. It won't crank on its own. Got some wiring issues or something. But the engine's free. No spark. Got it for $100. And there's the other tire for it. It's so dry rotted, it just went flat pretty much immediately. So, yeah, it don't look bad. Looks like the grill's intact. It doesn't look broke, unless I didn't see it. Whew. Yeah, here's one way to get a spare tranny. But odds are I get the engine running, I'm going to have a spare tractor. But we'll see. It's like 50-something degrees out. You put the summer tires on the car. And a coat of wax. Yeah, see now that car looks a lot better than yours. See that? I left the hood open if you wanted to put the mouse trap on yours.
I forgot to spray this shit.
Nah, well. We're always doing something we forget.